Hi, it's nice to have you all here today, and we're going to have a look at the reason why you should invest into crypto. Oh, okay, or the reason why you should learn about cryptocurrency, about the blockchain and cryptocurrency. So these are the reasons why you want to learn it. You are probably living in Nigeria or somewhere in Africa, or in Lagos, or in Abuja, or in Port Harcourt, for instance, or in the States, and you want to learn about this technology. You want to learn about this industry. So these are reasons why you probably want to learn about it. Okay. So I'm going to go back to this. So the first reason why you want to learn about this is number one, the technology. Okay, the technology, the tech behind it. If you've been paying attention, like if you've been reading a lot of tech news, maybe on Tech Plan Africa and some other tech platforms across the world, you notice that one of the most talked about topic in the last 4 years is blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Okay, and recently we have the SEC, SEC is Security and Exchange Commission in the US. They kind of give approval for investors, big investors like Fidelity Capital and BlackRock and all of that. They gave them a green light to start allowing the citizens of the US to invest in Bitcoin through the ETF. That was the biggest and massive news for Bitcoin in 2024. So now looking at technology, it allows a seamless transaction. Cryptocurrency allows someone to send the money for, you can send $1 million, for instance, now with as low as 1 cent, okay, on some specific blockchain. And even those blockchain that requires a high fee to send, like Ethereum, that costs as much as about $15, $10, or $4 to send money on that blockchain. If you look at, if you try to send money through your bank, maybe like Access Bank, First Bank, and all of that, if you want to send $1 million today, at least I can tell you for a fact, at least you are going to lose at least $4,000 out of that money. That's the minimum you will lose. It could be more than that. So imagine if someone has used a blockchain, he has used a crypto to send that money. Imagine how much that person must have made. Okay, because by cutting that cost, you are saving money for yourself. So imagine if you are supposed to send that money with $4,000 as a fee from bank to other part of the world, and they're probably paying like $1, $2 to achieve that transaction. Imagine how much you've saved. You've saved 398, okay, 3,998. Did you see that? You only lost $2. So this is why people are considering Bitcoin. We are considering Ethereum, Tron, Solana, um, Algorand, and a couple of other blockchains and other cryptos today, because crypto, it allows you to conduct a borderless transaction without incurring much cost. Okay, and it is done in a pretty much secure way, and it's also extremely fast. Yeah, extremely fast. I could send you $1,000 right now as you're watching me, and within 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, you've received that money right in your wallet. Okay, and you have the full custody of it. There are some cases whereby we have some bank collapse, and those that have huge deposits in the bank could not get their money back. Okay, it was converted to some notes, in that bank, maybe to shares or equity in the bank when they eventually have a takeover or a match. So one of the reasons why I want to invest in crypto, or want to like learn more about crypto, or want to actually participate in the industry is because of the technology. Okay, today now let me give you an example. We have this decentralized database now. We have decentralized cloud storage, cloud computing, and all of that. Okay, so it means that people can actually become, a participant globally and contribute their computing resources into a particular center, and they get rewarded by contributing their computing resources to others to use. So people are training AI model on a decentralized cloud storage now, okay, on a highly centralized and scalable server now. So that is actually giving the likes of Amazon Web Service, the likes of Google Cloud platform, it's giving them a kind of fear, like this guy might actually take over. So it means that they kind of eliminate that central authority, like, all the profit that is being made on Google Cloud platform or Amazon Web Service is going to Amazon and the few of their investors, their shareholders, their staff members. Okay, but in the blockchain ecosystem, we now discover that that money that goes to hosting websites, hosting app, training AI model, the money that is being paid for that purpose can also be shared by millions of people that contribute their computing resources and computing power to that thing. That is an incredible technology. Okay, I've just stated one application out of over 500 applications that you can use blockchain for and cryptocurrency for. So you might want to be in crypto because of that reason, technology. All right. And the second reason why you might want to be in crypto is this. Okay, is this reason. Look at that. All right. Censorship resistance. Now I could recall a time when was it Kanye West? Okay, he made a statement that really provoked the Jewish community, and for that reason, they kind of tell Google to bring down his videos. They clamp down on him and all of that to just humiliate this guy. You know, it's because the platform where some of his videos, his music has been hosted is centralized, and he lost his, they want him to lose his voice immediately. All right, they want to strip him off completely and make him naked. Okay, so but it's because if he had hosted his music, his songs, okay, Google, you can check it out online. Google actually deleted his music from the drive, Google Drive storage. So it was deleted. And you'll be wondering, how did Google know specifically that this account belongs to Kanye West and they went out to delete those things? Just like punish him, for making that remark about the Jewish or the Jews or something like that. So you have to be careful, you know, and that is the advantage of having your assets, because your music, your file, your book, your video is an asset. Even this video I make right now is an asset. Okay, if this should provoke you to, for instance, now you might start to remove it. Why? Because it is centralized. So this video also is an asset to me and to you, because you are gaining from it. I'm impacting you also through it, isn't it? So I don't want it to be removed because of some flimsy reasons. So the fact that it is censorship resistant, the government cannot just they woke up on and crack down and say, okay, they can take over your money, take over your funds, your finance. That's one of the reasons why people will invest, people are participating in this economy. Does it make sense to you? Okay. So the third reason, I don't want this to be too long and unnecessarily. Okay, the third reason is this. Look at that. Speculation. Speculation. You want to learn how to speculate in the market. Okay, you want to learn how to speculate in the market and make money for yourself in the market. Okay, like exactly what I'm doing right here. Speculation. Okay, knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell, knowing when to exit the market. Okay, speculation. It's still speculation. You are speculating. All right. So you want to be able to trade this and make money with it. All right. So if maybe you've been looking for this opportunity, like how can I learn how to trade the market effectively, even profitably? How can I make money by speculating, by trading this market? Come on, guys, I'm going to teach you. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. Um, Now you want to speculate. Let me go to tradingview.com right now. I'm talking about something like this. Let me show you real quick. I'm talking about something like this. You can search if you search for. Okay, you can go to this profile. This is my profile. Okay, you can just search for crypto niche on TradingView. So you search for crypto niche TradingView. Go to people, you find it right on TradingView. Then click on this. All right. So you want to speculate. You want to speculate, analyze the market. Look at this guy, the game plan. I said it was going to crash. Okay, then it began to crash in value. Look at that. I'm going to show you real quick. So you can see this was a game plan. Okay, on how to trade this guy. I will have a limit at different levels so you can actually trade this guy. Do you see that? Okay, do you see that? So if you look at some of these updates, you want to trade like this guy, like knowing when to buy, okay, analyzing the market, with fundamental analysis, and technical and sentiment, and know exactly when to buy. Okay, so you want to learn that also. Okay, so if you learn that, it allows you to have an edge in the market. That is so what you are doing, buy sell, is called speculation. Okay, I repeat, it's called speculation. Right. So the next reason why you want to participate in the crypto economy is because you want to invest. Okay, you want to invest. Okay, trading is not exactly the same thing as speculation. Okay, trading means that you have a goal, a medium-term goal, short-term goal, and long-term goal. Okay, the same way you invest into a land property, for the medium purpose, the short purpose, like kind of flip it, or long term, the same way you invest in cryptocurrencies. However, if you check this market, if you check this platform, look at this. If you go to coinmarketcap.com right now, okay, you will see that according to this guy, 2.4 million plus cryptocurrencies has been created since the beginning of this industry. Okay, that is known by this guy, because some are still not known yet. Okay, so some people put it roughly at around about 10 million cryptocurrencies exist today. So the question now is, how do you filter the ones, the good bad? How do you filter the good guys out of the bad guys? Okay, how are you going to be able to filter the good guys out of the bad guys? These are knowledge that you need to learn, right? You have to learn about that. So investing is about making money from the market. Speculating is about making money from the market. You taking advantage of the technology. Okay, is about benefiting from the market and getting an intrinsic value from the market, from crypto, basically from crypto. So if you embrace technology, or that comes with blockchain and cryptocurrency and Web3, if you embrace the censorship resistance of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and blockchain, then you are actually getting value. Okay, you're actually getting the intrinsic value of the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. Okay, but really making money from the market, making money from through blockchain, making money from crypto is about speculation and also investing. You can speculate and invest. It's about trading and investing. Okay, so however, this it can actually end up being a side hustle for you. Okay, also can also end up being a full-time job for you. For me, it's a full-time job for me. Okay, trading and speculating is a full-time job for me. All right. So anything else becomes like a side opportunity, side job for me. You get it? So it's profitable to invest. The same way it's profitable also to trade. Okay, but both of them requires a high level of knowledge. All right. So it is possible that you're making money from the market through trading and also investing that money, in some other coin based on research. Okay, don't invest blindly. You get it now. So that is the reason. These are the reasons why you may want to invest. You want to learn more about cryptocurrency and blockchain. This could be the reason. Okay, and this is the reason why most people, learn about cryptocurrencies. So if this is the reason why okay, if you want to learn about this, you want to learn more about this, you want to become a trader, you want to become an investor, you want to learn how to leverage this technology even better. Okay, I can teach you. Really, I can teach you. So you can actually sign up for a one-on-one with me, like I teach you one-on-one, or you sign up for a general training, through the Trade to Earn Bootcamp. Okay, so you have two opportunities. You have okay, one-on-one strategy session. Okay, session with me. You can have that with me. Okay, or you can also can join the Trade to Earn Bootcamp. I'm gonna explain how it works. Okay, you can join the Trade to Earn Bootcamps, any of them. Okay, boot camps. So far so good now. I've trained over 100 people. I think over 120 people so far. Okay, and we've had like 6 boot camps so far. Okay, it's like a general purpose training. Like you are not alone. You're actually getting trained together with other individuals. All right, but this one is for you alone. Okay, only you alone, nobody else, just me and you. All right. So you have access to one-day mentorship and support, and also access to the community. You have access to my trade updates, and much more. So for this guy, 6 month mentorship is a group training. You are trained together with others. All right. We have access to the same community, okay, and also mentorship and support for 6 months. So you're going to be learning how to trade the crypto market, the best way to invest, how to find a gem, things, coins that will pump, actually have massive value. How to find those things are what you will learn from the bootcamp, what the bootcamp also one of most strategy. But why people prefer this is because it got more, it is highly personalized. Okay, you get trained based on the time you feel comfortable with. All right, it can on demand, and also you have access to 1 year mentorship and support. Okay, then I'm going to give you one of my special numbers. So when you call that number, I know this is actually one of my students, from the one-on-one study session. So I'll know that. So these are the benefits you get from that. If you're maybe like you're working class, maybe you have time only maybe the weekend and all that, you want to sign up for this working class, or some people actually love to learn one-on-one with their teacher, like with their coach. Okay, they assimilate more. I've seen people like that before. They don't actually fancy learning together with other people. So you want to sign up for this. Okay. So guys, that's it. I hope you've gained some value from this tutorial. Okay, on why people invest in crypto, or why people learn about crypto, why people get involved in the cryptocurrency industry. These are the reasons. These are the reasons why people invest or people learn more about the crypto industry. So I hope this makes some sense to you. So I'm going to say bye for now and do have a great day. However, if you have any question for me, feel free to use the chat box, and ask me your question. Okay, I'll be glad to respond to whatever question that you have, through the comment box. Don't forget to share this with your friends, like it, leave me a comment down below, and do not also forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on your notification, because I'm going to be dropping more and more valuable stuff like this for you. Okay, so you can actually get tons of value from it and learn from it. So bye for now and have a great day.